All right, so I've just bought the Levoit 200 vacuum cordless, and I wanted to do a quick informational video on how bad this thing is. So don't be fooled like I was. I have a dog and a cat, and I live in a small house. And we're looking at my carpet, and you can see it's just like loaded with cat hair, dog hair, whatever. But basically, I've had vacuums that can really do a really good job cleaning this carpet. The last one was a Shark. We've had it for like 6 years, but it broke, and so we decided to try a cordless vacuum. But I just want to show you, if I turn this thing on and turn it to maximum power, which is number 3, I just want to show you what happens to the carpet that's basically like covered in hair. You know, I can pull a lot of it out by hand, you know. There's a bunch. So anyway, let's take a look. Okay. You kidding me? I mean, what's the deal? Are they serious? Like, I can just push, you know, animal hair out. Like, look at all that. It's just all animal hair.
Vacuum's plugged in. Unplug the battery back. Plug it back in. Nothing. Not working. I went from that outlet